nice you. Oh,
hey, honey, you're home. You want some?
Yeah, man, sure, baby.
Can definitely share.
Nice one. Where? Go.
How about you, man? I was thinking about you.
Are you there?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay.
Versus seasoned couples.
Jano, I want to be hungry. I can get peace.
No.
Mama can get one of the kids.
No.
Yeah, you mean, you know? It's alright, man.
Ashley count the rice grain them, you know? Count the chicken leg them, you know? Dominic, do not cross it, is what she was. So that's young love versus seasoned couples. They're in the young love phase now, but no doubt you will understand how that really go when you all get married. We've got Ashley and Dominic, a classic boy meets girl story, budding from a long friendship into a beautiful relationship and growing. And they're here today to, you know, give us a little bit of a heart-to-heart and to talk to us about their plans moving forward. It's so good to have you both in studio.
Thanks for
Not yet 30, I'm going to leave it there. But planning this year to get married.
Yes, sir.
I want to know what the reaction is from your friends and family to the announcement that you plan to make this lifelong commitment.
Okay, well, it's very positive. As we've said, we've known each other for years, so they're very familiar with us. And, you know, when they say couples with similarities are usually a good thing, we're very similar. We do a lot of the same things, same passions.
I thought it was opposites attract.
Listen, I don't believe in all of that. Nah,
okay,
it's just a thing that people say to sound cool. But, yeah, we do definitely agree on a lot of stuff, have a lot of similarities, passions. And because of that, everybody seems to be very happy for us. I'm happy for us. So, yeah.
Oh, too cute. Actually, what about you? They talk about young millennial love, and millennials don't, you know, settle, and they don't want anything to hold them down, but...
For me, I thought I was young and hip and enjoying the freedom until I guess when you find someone that you actually really like. So it wasn't a question or a doubt in my mind, and super excited to actually be making this big step.
Oh, that's so nice. How did you guys meet? You love to dance.
Definitely.
You always dancing.
Yes, so
you danced your way into love.
Literally.
Honestly.
When we were younger, I'll say, we're actually out about on the town with some friends, and me and my girlfriends were dancing, and then he had him and his group called Link Up, and they decided that, you know, they wanted to clash, and I was like, them bad, so let's go. So that was the intro of it, and then we found out we actually had a mutual friend, and I was like, that's the guy from the last party, and she's like, him, I know him from prep school, and I was like, he's kind of cool or whatever. And I guess the rest was history.
Did you feel something instantly, or was it just a good friendship that you saw budding?
At the time, it was a good friendship. We both loved dancing, as she mentioned, so it was just friends and having similarities, loving the same kind of things. But yeah, just friendship.
Dom, when did you know that it was going to be more and you wanted this lady to be your wife?
Wow, that's a good one. You know, I can't pinpoint the exact moment. I just know that things kind of transitioned, and before you know it, it was I love you and all of these other stuff.
Yeah. Wow. Was it quite like that?
Something like that.
What was the proposal?
Wow, so that's an exciting story. It was really good. I feel like I kind of got some hints before, but you know when you don't want to expect it and then it not happen. And to be honest, it was a time when I met a lot more of his family because it was a family reunion. So I got really distracted by them, just new faces, new names. So that fully threw me off the scent. And I mean, once I got dinner, I forgot about everything.
You're a foodie?
Yeah, oh God.
Okay. Foodie. Hence why you're writing him on the box and tell him to leave.
Right.
Okay, got it now. What is the secret to the success at this age and stage of your life?
All right, so I want to say this is very important for both of us. God first. Our relationship is very strong on our religion and spirituality, and I feel like it's easy to get distracted and caught up in a lot of different things. So to have that foundation, then everything else is a domino effect of that. So God first. Yeah.
Also being intentional with communication, healthy communication, and spending time with each other, because even though we're young now, we will outgrow each other, and you don't want that to happen. So it's really important to just spend time together doing the things that you like to do.
Yeah. You guys sound like you've got it covered.
Trying, still
With
learning.
old soul.
Yeah,
Okay.
pretty much.
All right. So we've heard the story behind the story and the fact that you are headed down the aisle before the end of this year. My producer wants me to fun fact this up a bit and see who knows who best or something to that effect. So we've got some questions for you. Who made the first move?
I did. Definitely.
I should have it no other way. After being friends for so long, he slid into your chat with a casual check-in during COVID.
I know, right? Like, he thought it was cool. Like, no,
I just
COVID
wanted
is
to
happening.
ensure that everything
He
was
thought
okay.
it was cool.
And I was like, what's going on here?
Not a rat. Okay, who's going to take out the trash? Who's going to be the trash taker outer?
Listen, I have to assign my duty. That's my duty, and I proudly do it. It's fine.
Okay,
Completely.
all right. A favorite activity together?
Working out.
Don't lie.
All right, fine.
To be healthy, favorite I'd actually think is traveling, because we actually enjoy traveling.
Fair enough.
You guys have a lot
that.
in common.
We do.
You love to dance.
Yeah, we love to travel. We work out together. We study together. We do devotion together.
Mercy. When are you ever apart?
Work.
Okay.
Pretty much.
No, until you know open on the own company.
like that.
What's the best meal you guys have eaten together?
Well, I'm a ribs lover, so I definitely say some ribs and coleslaw, I think.
Plantation smokehouse, I think, is the one he's talking about from
Yes,
my birthday.
that was amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about, I think I love this one that I missed. Most memorable trip. You say you guys have to travel.
That's on you.
Most memorable trip. I'd say back to her birthday, I went to Negril, and we just did a whole lot of stuff. Parasailing,
Cliff jumping.
Ritz Cafe, went to Blue Hole as well. It was just amazing. We love Negril. Have a
You
special.
guys sound like you love to create memories too, which
Yeah.
is
We
fantastic.
do.
Make a lot of those, eh?
Honestly.
And take a lot of pictures.
Yes.
Final question, your goal together. Life goal.
Go ahead.
Friends, family, and putting God in the middle. So finding that balance.
Down.
I'd agree, and just to build something together. Like, I think it's very important, especially starting so young, to build together. So yeah, I really want to do that and be able to set something for our kids to come.
Oh,
The pressure.
That's not an announcement, by the way. To come.
In the far future.
not an announcement. Guys, so great to meet you.
Thank
All the
you.
best in your relationship on your way forward. And congrats, man. Love is lovely. It's
is.
beautiful.
It
And,
really is.
and enjoy it. Ashley Reid, Dominic Mitchell, or should I say Dominic Mitchell, and soon to be
Soon to be.
Ashley Mitchell. Got a ring to it. She got a ring on it. All right, we'll be right back. That's it for Heart to Heart. Thanks, guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.